Ngibuzwe phela ukuthi munjani. Tomuka munjani. Ngilibingelele ngingakangeni okuyi-speech kwami okuncane ngubhalileyo. Ngizaqala ngenganekwane. Senisiba ngugogo. So nxa usungugogo awehlukani lenganekwane. Ngiza kwetha inganekwane kaMpunzi. uMpunzi esimkhangeleyo namuhla owandulelwa ngabompunzana abafike kuqala kulayo. Iphakamani iqala kwakuliganga la. Ihlathi nxa ngingakubeka kanjalo. Lezindlu zazibalwa lapha kwakubalwa koMaseko, kubalwe koSandow, kubalwe zazizilutshwana izindlu zezikandeni la. So ngapha konke kwakuliganga. Usisi uzinini witness that njengoba esitshelile ukuthi abaqala ukusungula ukuthi kube lePhakamani baqonda iganga. Egangeni kuhlala inyamazana, ngithemba sonke siyakwazi. So the first group eyabo form 1 abaqala lapha ePhakamani beyibo bodwa belamatitsha abamalutshwana embakhumbulayo ngabonyabadza uMsimiki uHedi kungungwenya ngangisasedingumuzi. Form 1 waqala lapha mina ngangi-grade 7 eDingumuzi. Babe sithi nxa bephuma eklasini usiye etoilet uhlangane laloba yiphi inyamazana. So lempunzi zazikhona. Kwabizwe ePhakamani kwathiwa kukwaMpunzi. So uMpunzi sekuze kwabuya inkalakatha yempunzi yazothi ePhakamani yama kayisayindawo limpunzi. So inganekwane kaMpunzi leyana. Bese ngibuya okuncane engicabanga ukuthi sikuyabelane namhlanje. But kuyangalela ukuthi ngikhiphe intokozo engaphakathi kwami ngingakangeni ngapha. I've been challenged. Zethu. I hope I'll challenge mina ngedwa. Uchallenge the whole of Plumtree. Lezethekeli ezisivakatsheleyo. Ikakhulu thina siyinzalo yalapha. Ulothando uZethi Ndlovu, usisi uZinini. Ngifuna ukuthi ngimbize njalo ngoba thina sikhule simbiza usisi uZinini. Usisi uZinini was not in Plumtree ngenxa yomsebenzi. Mntaka gogo unamathokazi. Abazi ugogo unamathokazi wayethengisa egedini lesibhedlela lapha. Umntanakhe. So ulothando lwePlumtree, ulothando lwePhakamani, ulothando lento yonke. So thina abantwana bePlumtree esesikhulile asiphakamisenini iPhakamani iphakeme okuzwayo. Ngithemba iJunior Call bagcine namhla ukubonakala begida begqoka amaplastic. Asithembise nini ukuthi bagcine namhla ukubonakala begida begqoka amaplastic. Ake sishaye umpululu, tilobe mpululu, tilobe mande, tilobe milizo. Banamavende musime kumande chose tihanile mpunzi. Right. Since I said I have been challenged, let me switch on to the next language. She challenged me. The district inspector said, heads, cluster heads, colleagues, parents, learners, and guests. I'm over the moon standing in front of you today. We are delighted to celebrate the commissioning of our new school bus. This moment would not have been possible without the unwavering support of parents, the community, and our valued stakeholders. As the SDC, we have worked hand in hand with the school administration to ensure resources like this bus directly benefit our learners. This is not just a vehicle, It means safer travel for our kids. It is a big step forward for Pagamani High School and shows what we can achieve together. I would like to extend my gratitude to the head and staff for their dedication to improving our school. To the parents and community, thanks for trusting us with their children's education and for being part of this journey. Moreover, to our learners, stay focused, work hard, and make the most of the opportunities this school offers. Thank you, Daboka. No, peleleza nebo kandimili zabataka tangisa gwendo kwebhasi ilitose. Ndokumbila tate Pibanda me Great Mazibeli vamilike mubabone takawolota kuti kube nebhasi kuPhakamani tina maticha ekwele nababa bazadzi vandamilisa ondakanganga na memtale vapona vakaveli yapo tiwolota nasi woloto ledi la Buddha likabachini chinonda ndohana ndomuboka kwazo ndomumiliza kwemwezila inochenamisa ndisingaziyote ningatini ndiko chiboka chimilikani vamwe ve-SDC vandandasi the current SDC vahave wana gwendo guli muhafu vagutola vagumiliza nasi tave pano tilimile takalinga mpunzi akatitsara toboka kwazo.